When collaborating with designers, draftsmen, or apprentices, even with clients actually, we're using Rayon as a collaborative floor planning tool because much like SketchUp layout, it's one of the fastest. What makes it have an edge over the others is that others can also have collaborative online tools, but this one you can actually see in real time what they are pointing at, and I could even annotate it. The black thing you see on the left side are actually comments. So this is an example of annotation. So while I'm annotating the changes, say I'm the client or the architect, and I'm asking the draftsman to revise these ones according to our updated meeting, then she can actually work on them while I give all my comments on the spot and check on it later. So the nice thing about this is I don't actually have to call on Messenger. Sometimes we're on Discord, but I can actually already see the progress being done. So we actually eliminate a lot of reasoning or excuses for delay, such as, oh, my internet lag or something broke down, because it's actually very light and it can also be worked offline. Now, I could easily see outputs. That means I tell the apprentice, if you have ideas or options, put them alongside each other. We have a very wide canvas or workspace. Now, Rayon is actually free right now. It has some limits as to the blocks that you can use and also the number of collaborators. Pro version actually has unlimited access. You can actually export this to DWG for AutoCAD or PDF, and you can also import PDF and DWG, so I can use this for SketchUp interchangeably. But much like Revit, it also auto-cuts the doors, windows, and all furniture from here. So this is what the apprentice is doing alongside layout for our building permits, and teaching her how to use the build pass so that alone she can actually handle all the permit processing and drafting from the analysis that need to be updated. And then I gave her a short overview of how to estimate, which we will discuss in the future.